Finally, you found it! You found this video, and before you're already skipping the intro to watch the valuable passive income ideas, you need to listen carefully first, because I need to explain something about this video. This video is not going to be the normal kind of video where everything will be explained. In the description of this video, you'll find every passive income idea that'll be mentioned in this video, and you'll see that they each have their own link. This link will bring you to a YouTube playlist. If you're interested in the idea mentioned in the video, you can go to its playlist and get more information about it from other creators. And last but not least, required skills for each passive income idea that you need to have to be successful will also be shown. If you want to know a place where you can learn every skill you want to without distractions of pointless videos, you should definitely check out Skillshare. It's an online platform with unlimited courses about almost everything. You can call it the Netflix of online courses. For just $10 a month, you'll have access to all this valuable information. And you know what they say, knowledge is money. If you're interested, check out the first link in the description and get a 14-day free trial on Skillshare Premium. Now, let's get started with the video after this long intro. And let's start with passive income idea number 1, starting a vending machine business. 2, starting a podcast. 3, sell digital products. 4, advertise on your car. 5, start an online business. 6, investing in REIT on Fundrise. 7, investing in a business via Mainvest. 8, selling stock photos on Shutterstock. 9, Getty Images. 10, iStock. 11, Adobe Stock. 12, Alamy. 13, create a productivity app. 14, create a fitness and health app. 15, create a gaming app. 16, create a planning app. 17, affiliate marketing via eBay. 18, via Amazon Associates. 19, via Share a Sale affiliate. 20, via Shopify. 21, starting a print-on-demand store with Redbubble. 22, Teespring. 23, Printful. 24, merch by Amazon. 25, cashback rewards cards. 26, starting a YouTube channel. 27, monthly paid Discord community. 28, influencer manager. 29, buy and grow an Instagram account. 30, create a paid Facebook group. 31, sell NFTs on OpenSea. 32, Singularity Nets. 33, Syscoin. 34, trade NFTs. 35, invest in stocks. 36, money market funds. 37, BDCs. 38, SPACs. 39, bonds. 40, index funds. 41, CD ladders. 42, dividend stocks. 43, investing in goods that increase in price over time. 44. Build and sell websites to local companies who don't have it yet. 45. Build your own website and advertise on it. 46. 3D printing. 47. Write and publish an ebook. 48. Online rebates. 49. Amazon FBA. 50. Earn money by testing products on user testing. 51. Create virtual tours with Mattersport. 52. Earn money by testing apps on Testbirds. 53. Sell digital products on Etsy. 54. Invest in crypto with Binance. 55. Starting a newsletter. 56. Sell an online course on Skillshare. 57. Udemy. 58. Coursera. 59. Renting out a portion of your house. 60. Rental property on Roofstock. 61. Rental property on Zillow. 62. Bring out your own music. 63. License your music. 64. Sell beats. 65. Rent out your gear on Friendwitha. 66. Flip domain names. 67. High-yield savings account. 68. Peer-to-peer lending. 69. Make money from your online purchases with inbox dollars. Before we go to the last one, I want to tell you again that you can learn all the skills that are mentioned in the video on Skillshare. Via my link in the description, you will get a 14 days free trial of Skillshare Premium, which means that you will have access to all the online courses. 70. Make money from your online purchases with Dosh. If the video was valuable to you, consider giving the video a like and don't forget to subscribe so that you won't miss other valuable videos in the near future. Thanks for watching.